Hello everyone, Kritika here. Yeah, in my previous presentation, I have discussed so many laws which relates to this Boolean algebra. So, in those laws, I have just chosen this De Morgan's theorem. So that in this presentation, I will be explaining you all like what does De Morgan's theorem states, the two different rules of De Morgan's theorem, and how it is realized using logic gates and few examples related to this theorem. Okay, so yes, let us get into this presentation and see what is there in this presentation. Okay, first let us see what does the De Morgan's theorem states. Okay, so here in this De Morgan's theorem we do have two rules. The first rule is when we take the complement of the product of all the terms, it will be always equal to the sum of the complemented of the individual term. Okay, for example, here I am taking two terms, that is a and b. The complement of product of a and b is always equal to the sum of the complement of the individual term. Okay, that is given by a dot b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. Okay, the bar across any term is termed to be the complement over here. Coming to the rule 2, here the complement of the sum of the any terms or all the terms is equal to the product of the complement of the individual terms. Okay, so that is given by a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. Now let us see how this can be realized using gates. Okay, see, this is the rule 1 implementation using logic gates. Okay, so a dot b, as we generally know, like a dot b means it is a AND gate operation. So a dot b whole bar means the reverse operation of the AND gate is done by using the NAND gate. So it is represented here in the rightmost part. We can see like a dot b, that is an AND gate over there, after which it is fed to an inverter to get the NAND gate output as a dot b whole bar. Okay, so that is the three lines here indicates that it is equivalent. Okay, means those two are the same. So now how we can achieve the RHS of the, means right hand side is we are taking two separate gates a and b. We are passing it through an inverter to get the inverted output. So after feeding it to an OR gate, we are getting a bar plus b bar. Okay, see, the NAND gate which is represented in the upside is same as that of the negative OR gate which is represented in the downside. So this is how we can implement the rule 1 of the De Morgan's theorem using logic gates, guys. Okay, now let us see the rule 2 implementation using logic gates. Okay, so a plus b means what? It is an OR gate. A plus b whole bar is a NOR gate. Okay, so a b, when two inputs a and b are fed to an OR gate, the output will be a plus b. Then we are feeding it to an inverter to get a plus b whole bar. Okay, that is equivalent to, how we can find out the RHS, how we can prove for the RHS is, take two gates a and b separately, feed it to an inverter or a NOT gate, we can say. We will get a bar b bar. When we are feeding those two outputs of the inverter to the AND gate, we will get the a dot, means multiplication of those two will be like a bar dot b bar. So here we can say the output of this, the NOR gate in the upside implementation is almost equal, or we can say it is same as that of the negative AND gate at the downside. Okay, this is how we can implement the using logic gates. See, this is an example to show how De Morgan's theorem is proved. So here they have given a expression, that is a plus bc bar whole bar. Okay, so how we can break this? First, when we are breaking, keep this in mind, like the positive sign or the addition symbol what we have, that will become the when we are dividing the terms, we have to change the positive sign to the multiplication. Okay, this is the rule. You will be explained in detail in my upcoming presentation. Okay, so when we split these two terms separately, what it will happen is a bar plus will become dot and bc double bar it will happen. We know from the rules like 2 negation to any term will be equal to the term itself, right? So BC double bar will be cancelled and the final answer will be A bar BC. The explanation is given in the right side. You can go through it. Okay. Then this is a representation, how we are representing it. Okay, so that the ABC, how we are feeding here is A bar. This is a 3 input AND gate, I can say. Okay, this is how it is represented. You can refer few more examples if you want in detail in the Google. Okay. Now I just wanted to explain you like how De Morgan's equivalent gates look like. See, this is an first one is an AND gate, that is in the standard logic gate section. This is an AND gate generally. The De Morgan's equivalent will be like A dot B is the AND gate. How we can make it as a negative NOR gate is like this. Means here we are using two NOT gate, feeding those AB input to them to get the inverted output of them. After feeding it to an OR gate, we will get the inverted operation. Means if we simplify, again we will get back the AND gate. Okay, these are the 4 examples what they have given to show you like these are the equivalent gates. Okay, the second one is NAND gate. So how we are doing it? By feeding, again we are feeding the inputs to the NAND gate here in the standard logic gate section to get the NAND output as A dot B whole bar. So the A dot B whole bar will be equal to the negative OR gate, that is A bar plus B bar, that is realized like this. The third one is OR gate, that can be realized using this negative NAND gate. The last one is NOR gate, and similarly it has been it is equivalent to the negative AND gate which is represented over here. Okay, this is just a brief introduction about how the De Morgan's equivalent gates looks like when we compare it with the standard gates what we have. Okay, this is a brief introduction, guys. So thank you very much for listening to my presentation very patiently, guys. Thank you so much. Please do like my videos, subscribe to my channel. I'll be explaining you different engineering subjects in my upcoming presentations, so that it will be helpful. So please stay tuned, and please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel, so that you will be the first person to receive my updated video. Okay, thank you so much.